Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm you have admin credentials and the device is online. Once done, make sure system time is accurate within a few minutes because cloud checks fail if skewed. Next, open the security app, use Settings or Microsoft Defender, and go straight to the Virus and Threat Protection area. You need to see the cloud-delivered protection tile so you can act. Do this now. It takes a minute and prevents wasted steps later. You now enable the protection. In Virus and Threat Protection settings, locate Cloud-Delivered Protection and flip it on. Also enable automatic sample submission so Microsoft can analyze suspicious files. If the toggle is grayed out, open Services, restart the Windows Defender antivirus service, and try again. Once enabled, run a quick cloud-powered scan or update signatures to confirm connectivity. Make sure your firewall finish by confirming the interface reports cloud-delivered protection. On, and then update signatures and run a full scan to validate detection capability. If your settings revert, check Group Policy or MDM profiles for enforced restrictions, because enterprise policies often disable cloud features. If toggles remain unchangeable, remove conflicting registry keys only if you know what you're doing, or contact your admin. One key troubleshooting tip: clear credential caches and re-sign in. Authentication issues commonly block cloud enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.